I'm going to show you how to use an amazing AI editor that will make your video editing process a breeze. This AI editor will take all of your video footage, analyze it, and automatically cut out all of the mistakes, pauses, and silences, cutting your editing time in half. Then it will give you a smooth, polished, edited video that you can customize and share with the world. This app is called Gling, and you can find a link to it in the description of this video. Gling has different plans to suit all kinds of editing needs. There's a free trial that allows you to edit your first video for free, or pay $15 a month for unlimited access. However, the feature that I think might work for you is that if you're a YouTube creator with over 1,000 subscribers or more, you can use Gling for free. All you have to do is mention Gling in the description of your YouTube video. If you actually look back at my past few videos, you'll see in my descriptions that I've been using Gling to help me with all of my editing. If you want to enjoy the full benefits of Gling, you can pay $15 a month. $15 a month to cut your editing in half sounds like a deal to me. Enough talk, let's show you how it works. Once you've downloaded the app, install it, open it up, and drag the files that you're looking to have edited right here. The screen's gonna pop up, and make sure that you have silences and bad takes selected. And then click continue, and that's pretty much it. Gling is gonna take care of the rest for you. One of my least favorite parts of editing A-roll, or talking head, is listening back to myself, or the interview that I just recorded. So having a camera that shoots incredible photos right out of the... So having a camera like this that doesn't record... I'm new to this whole talking to camera thing, and I mess up a whole bunch. I don't want to be reminded of that. I'm really thankful... This software makes this process so much more fun and a lot quicker. Just like that, in a few seconds, the app has worked its magic and Gling is ready to go. It's cut out all of my silences and it's cut out all of the mistakes from my previous takes. I now have a video that's completely edited for me, well, at least the A-roll, and I do suggest that we probably watch through it to make sure that it's correct, or if it needs some adjustments. We can watch the video with or without the cuts that Gling made. To do that, we just toggle the Show Cuts button here, and we press play to see how the video looks. As well, we can see the entire transcript to see what this video says. I use Final Cut to edit my videos, and I've seen that in the past few months that Resolve and Premiere have added the option to edit your videos with just the text. I think Gling is the best option for Final Cut users like me. Instead of looking at waveforms to cut out silences or listening through bad takes, I just have to read my way through the video and edit with text. If we're reading through our video and we find a line that needs to be removed, all we have to do is hit the scissor button and it's going to delete everything on that line. Or if there's specific words or part of the text that you want to remove, just highlight that and hit the backspace key. The same goes if there's a section that was removed, but you actually want to keep it, just highlight it and hit backspace and it comes back. I find this method way quicker than looking at waveforms or listening back. There's also an option to add padding so that you can add a little bit of space so that your words aren't cut off. Once you're happy with how your video is looking, head up to the top right corner and hit export. We're given a whole bunch of different options. If your video is perfect and you're happy with it, you can export it straight to a video file and upload it straight to YouTube or right off to your client. You can also export just an audio file or a subtitle file. But I want to do some titles and some B-roll on top of this, so I'm going to pick the option for Final Cut. If you're using Premiere or Resolve, there's also options to export to your program. Let's find the file that we just saved, double-click it, and make a new library in Final Cut. Gling has made a new project with the same timeline and cuts that it had in its own app. These cuts aren't permanent either. We told Gling to cut out all of the silences in our footage, so make sure that you play with the pacing and pauses to make sure that any dramatic pauses aren't cut out and that you can tell your story properly. If there is a sentence that got cut off or something important got removed, we can drag out a clip to fix that. Now that we have our timeline, we can start editing. We can add B-roll, we can add zooms, texts, sound effects, music, all of the stuff that goes into making a great video. Gling is a great way to boost your productivity and save you a whole bunch of time. It edits your A-roll footage and removes all the errors for you, which gives you more time to be more creative. Gling is like an assistant editor that does all the repetitive work that you don't enjoy, leaving you more time to focus on the artistic side. If this is something that interests you, check out Gling in the description of this video. The past few videos on my channel have been edited with Gling because I trust it and it's been working for me. So if you want to see what a finished video that's edited with Gling looks like, check those out. I'm Davey Gravy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.